Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add an email to Facebook account on PC. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we will click on Account Center. After that, we will enter the Personal Details option and then on Contact Info. Next, click on Add New Contact and choose the Add Email option. After this, we will add the email and select the account to link with it. Now you will have to enter the confirmation code that you received in that same email and click Next. Finally, we will see that the email account has been added correctly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.